Hey guys, the wait is finally over. ZeroBang laser training system is officially in mass production. I just grabbed this from the very first batch, straight off the factory line, while everything is still hot inside. So let's cut the chase and get onto it. The first thing you'll see in this sturdy outer shipping box, it comes in two sizes depending on what you pledged. This particular one is for Enforcer kit or Kill House kit. For those who ordered Marksman kit, Operator kit, and the Tactician kit, the shipping box would come in about half the size. So the shipping box contains 2 retail boxes, and each retail box contains up to 2 trainer target sets. We went with this high-quality, recyclable cardboard design to make sure they're fully environmentally friendly. I'll only unbox one of these retail boxes because they're almost identical inside. So this is the outside of the retail box. Right on the top, you'll see 1 or 2 trainers, depending on your kit. Here's the terminal. If you look closely, you can see that the protective cover and the screen protector have been already pre-installed at the factory. You can wear the terminal device on your forearms by this wristband. It's the perfect accessory for you to train on the move. This bag has all the cables, and this one has all the target stand parts. Let me get the top layer out of the way. And have a look what's underneath. Here is your target stand. And inside this flat box are all the replaceable targets. They come in with 3 different flavors for you to discover. A quick heads up. If you order the Marksman kit or Operator kit, you will only get 1 set of the target stand. And the other flat box will be empty. It is supposed to fill the gap in the retail box. Now, about the target stand assembly, you only have to do it once. We throw all the screws and a handy screwdriver for you right here in the box. We will make a separate video to assemble everything in detail in our channel. So check out this little guy here. You can easily replace your target from the target stand with this handy little tool. But be advised, it has very sharp edges, so please keep it out of reach from your kids. So that's everything you get in this box. And we've covered all the details on our wiki page right here. And the basics are right here in this menu. As our early backers, we slipped a special little gift in here, just for you. It's a small token of appreciation, because honestly, without your trust, ZeroBang wouldn't be here today. I thank you on behalf of all ZeroBang team members. So this is our official t-shirt. If you like it, please leave a comment below. A quick update on sales. We're pushing through mass production as we speak, and we're still waiting for the payment channels to be approved on our website. We estimate that our official retail channel will open in early July. If you can't wait until July, please contact us by email. We will do our best to help you with your order. Start ZeroBang and enjoy your training.
Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned.